If we take into account everything that is going on in the App Store, we can say that the App Store is a kind of tough place to be in right now for a couple of things. So first of all, I didn't write it here, but the competition is really, really tough. Store commissions are really high. Marketing attribution really doesn't work. So there's scan, but a lot of users, they do not agree to be tracked. ATT consent. So attribution in your marketing is really blind right now. Regulations and new Apple policies that they introduce all the time. So getting through the Apple reviews getting harder, at least what we see right now. And user acquisition costs are also getting higher over the time. So these made us think about how the acquisition looks like. If you have an app and you only have an app, your traditional way to acquire customers is via the advertisement. So you go to your Facebook ad account or to TikTok account or to whatever, you buy traffic and you land your traffic on your app. So when a user sees your app in the Instagram, they click or they tap and they are being redirected to the App Store where they can install the app. So this is just a normal flow, which doesn't work right now because of the previous things. There's an alternative case. So what instead of buying a traffic directly to your app, you would buy a traffic to a simple website where you can onboard your customer, where you can, show the benefits of your app, where you can ask a lot of questions, where you can qualify your potential customer, and where you can sell. Remember that 80% of all monetization is happened during the onboarding. So what's going to be if you move the onboarding from the app to the website, right? Pretty simple idea. And also your payment screen, of course. In this case, you lend your customers to the website, which is not controlled by Apple, right? So you can do whatever you want. And you lend your customers after the onboarding to pay via Stripe or third-party payments. And once they pay, you redirect them back to the app and unlock payment access, unlock premium access. So this is kind of a little bit tricky at first, but you basically outsource your payment flow and onboarding flow from the app to the web. This is a really big idea, and we have a lot of really, really big players in this area. So I would say 7 out of 10 adapt the largest customers. They use primarily web as a monetization for a number of reasons. First of all, there is no 30% commission. So you only pay 2 to 3% to Stripe, and that's it. There is no tracking issues. And this is a really big deal. So you don't have the scan stuff. You have UTM, you have cookies, you have many, many different things. And they still work really well. And you have a full control of payments. Again, it's up to you how you charge. It's up to you which subscriptions you use. It's up to you which payment provider you use, etc. So with the big power comes a great responsibility, but you need to start managing your chargebacks, your refunds, your billing issues. So it's all up to you. So you have a full control with all of its bonuses and minuses.